Hello everyone. Let's read this book called Pepper Cleans His Room. Pepper cleans his room. So many toys. Which one should I play with first? Oh Pepper, what a mess. Clean your room now. First I will play, then I will clean. Ding dong. But Mama, I'm playing. How can I open the door? Pepper, at least open the door. Hey Pepper. Hello Bob. Let's play with my new toy train. What are we playing today? What happened? Where's your train? I can't find it. I kept it here. Leave it, Pepper. Let's play outside in the garden. Okay, give me a minute. Where have I kept my sport shoes? Is it under the table? I can't even find my socks. So what? I'll take another pair from the cupboard. Okay, but hurry. Ah, Mama! Oh dear, didn't I tell you to clean your room? Sorry, I promise to keep my room tidy from now on. Let's help Pepper clean his room. Thank you. So children, if you can't find your favorite shirt, what do you think you should do? Think. Thank you for watching. That's it for today.